Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix your 2XKO controller not working. First, open the settings menu on your computer. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and then selecting settings from the start menu. Once you are in settings, look for the option called devices. Click on it to open the devices and connections page. Here, you will see a list of all devices connected to your computer, such as your keyboard, mouse, and Bluetooth devices. Now, find your controller in the list. I don't have a controller, but the process is same for any device. Click on the name of the controller once you find it. You will see an option that says Remove Device. Click on it. This will disconnect the controller completely from your system. Removing it helps clear any connection issues that might be causing your controller not to respond in 2XKO. After removing the device, close the settings window and restart your PC. Restarting helps refresh all your drivers and system connections. Once your computer turns back on, go back to the settings menu again. Open Devices, and then go to the Bluetooth and Other Devices section. Now, click on the button that says Add a Device. A new window will open where your computer will start searching for available Bluetooth or wireless devices. Once it is added back, open your 2XKO game and check if your controller is now working properly. Thanks for watching.